So as promised, I unboxed my new Pixel Pro Levy Stick and I played around with it just a little bit for the last week, and so far this Levy wand is amazing. So at first when I got it, I was a little bit surprised because the string is just like a plastic string, and I honestly was scared to be really rough with it because I thought that I would potentially break it. But once I got over that fear and started to just really go at it, this string is actually quite durable. And it is a little bit rough on the hand because I am upgrading from a Glow FX Levy wand, which is just like a string. So what I'm used to doing is like at the end of the string, there's like a little piece where it kind of ties the string to the handle, which is like just like a cord that wraps around your hand. And I'm used to like grabbing that so that I have more control over my wand. So with this, it was a little bit awkward adjusting because what I needed to get used to was like wrapping my hand around the cord and then like holding it between certain fingers. And I kind of felt like, you know, I was playing with a puppet a little bit. It was a little bit awkward to get used to. But the patterns on this thing and its brightness, like you can see just how bright that this is. It is amazing. The patterns are amazing. The balance is also really great for contact tricks, which is something that I really struggled with my Glow FX wand, because with my Glow FX wand, the weight was a little bit off balance. So I first had to get used to using a Levy wand that wasn't even properly balanced. And then once I got used to the imbalance on it, then I could start to work on certain tricks. So it really took me a while to start working on things like conveyor belt, balances, and stalls, because just the weight was just so off that it was really awkward. Same with isolations, like they were really rough because the wand wasn't as heavy. So with this wand, since it's probably like 2 to 3 times the weight of my Glow FX wand, it's really, really good for contact tricks. Like contact has been something that I've really been wanting to learn with my Levy wand. So now I could finally start working on those contact tricks. So the weight on this is amazing. The cord takes a little bit of getting used to if you're not used to having like a string that you wrap around your hand. But if you are used to that, then honestly, this will be like a piece of cake getting used to. And then the other thing that I want to talk about is programming. So I have not yet tried to program this Levy wand because honestly, like I'm pretty like not good with computer programs and like technology, which is kind of weird saying because like I do all these crazy edits, but like I just find programming and editing are 2 very different things. And I'm sure once I apply myself, I'll be able to figure it out, but I've just been a little bit scared to get into that. But I mean, the patterns that it already comes with and that it just cycles through are absolutely amazing. Like they're so bright, they're so colorful, they're just really, really great. And I mean, I'm a little bit scared to knock this around, thinking that I might break it, but so far we are still doing good. And I've been like as rough as can be for my my Levy wanding style, and so far it's lasting, it's good, it's alive. So I mean, I definitely would recommend this wand to others if they're looking into getting like a LED programmable wand, because it is a really great wand, especially for the price. So I know that there are some companies out there that are selling like these LED programmable ones for like $1,000, and this is nowhere near $1,000, but it's still absolutely amazing, super bright, great colors and patterns, and just overall a really good product. Hey guys, so I know I'm in a different outfit, but this is a separate video from the one I made last time, because before I released this on YouTube, I found out more things about my Levi stick. So these brands of Levi wands are very sensitive, so my wand only charged like twice before it completely died. Now I'm trying to get a hold of the company and customer service isn't really getting back to me. So I don't know what's happening with this Levi wand. I feel like they should be able to make something that is a little bit more durable. And if they know that there are issues with their Levi wand, then they should be having good customer service so that you can figure out how to get your Levi wand up and running again. So that's just been one of the things that I've noticed. I've had my Levi stick for about probably a month now, and I've maybe used it like 3 times because it died, and now I can't get it back up and running. So that is something you definitely need to know when getting this Levi wand, because it is risky. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it does help to support my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.